Namaste and welcome to the day 2 of our Prana and Pranayama yoga series. Today we'll be doing the Vibhagiya svasa along with the yogic breathing, the poorna svasa, and we'll be doing the bhramari Pranayama as well. Today's practice is a great one if you want to just relax. Also great for any anger, anxiety, insomnia as well. It's a practice that you can just do before bed. Bhramari is a great way to promote healing in the body too. So let's get into something comfortable and let's get started. Let's begin today's practice in a comfortable seated position. You can sit in Sukhasana, the normal easy pose. You can sit in Ardha Padmasana if that's comfortable for you. You can even sit in Poorna Padmasana if that is accessible to you, whatever works for you. You can have a cushion underneath your hips or a block, and just make sure that your spine, you're not resting back. You can even be seated on a chair or on a sofa, but make sure the spine is straight and we are not taking any back support. So we'll begin today's practice. Let's bring our hands together in front of the heart. We'll begin with a prayer. Pranasyedam vashe sarvam tridive yat pratishtitam mateva putran rakshasva Shriishcha prajñamscha videhin iti. Bring the hands down and with a smile you can open your eyes. We'll do the sectional breathing that we had done yesterday. Even if you're doing this as an independent practice, that's alright. You can bring the right hand onto the belly, the left hand on the center of the chest. You can close your eyes if you feel like it, or just look down, gaze down. The chin can be parallel to the ground. For a few breaths, we'll be aware of the natural breathing, just observing what's happening to the chest and what's happening to the belly as we inhale. And as we exhale, tracing the path of the breath as it enters the nose, moves through the mouth, the back of the throat, going into the lungs, and as it comes out. 2 more times, we'll do the same. Just tracing the path of the breath till the belly. Last time. And now we'll start with the abdominal breathing. We're going to breathe only into the right hand, not moving the left hand at all. Inhale, expanding the belly totally. Exhale, bring the navel in towards the lower back. The diaphragm goes down and presses against the abdomen. And as you breathe out, the navel goes in. Inhale, expand. Exhale, in. We'll do this 2 more times. And let the breath relax. If you feel like relaxing your hands, you can even do the same, relaxing the hands, palms open to the ceiling. We'll do the thoracic or the chest breathing, the madhyam shwas. Just take your awareness first to the sides of the chest as you are breathing. And breathe out, taking normal breaths as of now. 2 more normal breaths with attention on the sides of the chest, on the rib cage. Now without moving the belly, we'll expand the chest. Taking the chest up, expanding the rib cage out and up. And slowly exhale. Let the breath be smooth without any jerks in the breath. Smooth motion in and smooth motion out. Feeling the rib cage going out as you inhale and contracting as you exhale. Minimizing any movement in the belly. Now as we inhale totally, we'll also add clavicular breathing to this. Not moving the belly, just moving the shoulders up, collarbones up and away. The lower neck tenses a little. And as we exhale, relax the lower neck, relax the upper chest, relaxing the rib cage. Inhale, expanding the chest, the rib cage. At the very end, take the shoulders up, the collarbones away, take in a little bit more air, expanding the upper lobe of the lungs, and exhale, relax the neck, the upper chest, the rib cage. Continuing the same, the neck might feel a little bit tensed, that's okay. Minimizing the movement in the belly, we'll do 3 more on our own. Slowly you may relax. Let the breath come back to normal. We'll do the poorna svasa or the yogic breathing, and we're going to add all 3 of these together, the abdominal, the thoracic and the clavicular breathing. Fill the belly. Once the belly is totally full, we start expanding the chest and the rib cage outwards and upwards, and once the chest is totally full, we lift the collarbones up and away, shoulders move up and back as we release the lower neck, the upper chest, exhaling, chest goes down, rib cage in, and the belly goes in, navel pulls into the lower back. Inhaling, expand the belly, it's one smooth movement. Belly is full, start expanding the chest, the rib cage, then the collarbones, shoulders move up and away. And slowly exhaling, neck relaxed, chest relaxed, belly goes in. Let the breath be totally smooth. You can let the eyes be closed in case they are not. We'll do this 3 times on our own. Let the breath be smooth, continuous and relaxed. and relax the body. Let the breath be normal without any strain, just observing the natural rhythm of the breath for a while. And you may slowly open your eyes. We'll do the Bhramari Pranayama next. The Bhramari Pranayama is said to be a great pranayama to soothe the nervous system, to soothe the mind. It's also very good to heal the body. The only people who should not be doing Bhramari is if you have some ear infections. Otherwise, it's a really great pranayama for anyone. Bhramari means the humming bee. So we make the sound of the humming bee, which is the sound. This sound, you keep the teeth apart, but the lips are joined, and it's similar when you make the sound. You say the word sing, ring, it's that sound. So the lips are closed, but the vibration is felt in the upper part of the skull. It's different from the makara that we say in Om, that is ma, and this is So we are going to be doing the Bhramari with our hands up, and we are going to close the flap of our ears. Don't do it right now, just listen to the instructions first. We're going to take a deep breath in, close the flap, close the eyes. The exhalation only happens through the sound. We'll do this 3 times. So once we close our ears, we will not be able to hear. So we do this 3 times. Let's take the hands up. In between the rounds, you can keep the hands still and in the same place. Let's get started. Take a breath in, close the ears. After completing this round, relax the hands, palms open to the ceiling. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Just becoming aware of the body and the breath once more, feeling that prana going into the body, and exhale. Bring the palms in front of the heart. With a heart full of gratitude, we'll chant Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Taking your own time. Whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Let us know how today's practice was for you in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Thank you so much for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.